Hello, welcome to Chess Prime. As part of this video, we are going to see how to run LLMs locally with the help of Ollama. So before proceeding this video or these steps, so you should have Ollama installed in your machine and it should running properly. So that is a previous step. So in case if you don't have Ollama set up in your local machine, so I'll recommend you to go through my previous video, or you can able to find the same thing in video description, how to set up Ollama in Windows machine, so that you can do the first step. So after that you can able to run LLMs very easily in your local machine, so that we are going to see it. So let's get started. So first, before running Ollama in your machine, so you should have some LLMs. So you should have some LLMs need to be downloaded. So that is the prerequisite. So to download the LLMs which is available as part of Ollama, which is provided, so you can, once you are in ollama.com, so you can go to GitHub. So then you can able to see this page, and you can able to see, once you scroll down little bit, and you can able to see the Ollama supporting libraries, you can see over here. So there is a lot more, and you can take anyone and you can play with that. Okay, so as part of our learning, so we are trying to take a simple one which is having less memory space, so that we are going to take it up. So we can see over here, we can see Llama 3.2, its size is somewhere 2 GB, so this we will take it. Okay, so this we will take it and we will play with that. So the first step is, before running this LLM models, you should download, or you should take it into a local machine. So that is the first step. So how to take it into a local machine, that is the first step. So for that you can open your command window and you can verify version. So that means Ollama is working. So Ollama installation is done properly and I can able to see the version. So the next step is, we need to take, or we need to pull this 2 GB LLama 3.2 models into our local machine. So that's the next step. So how to download or how to take it? So that's very easy. So you can type Ollama and then followed by pull, and which image or which model sorry, you want to download it. So that's the next step. Say for instance I want to download this one, and this is the model or LLM name. So you can take it and you can come over here, you can paste it. So Ollama pull and then followed by the model name and then press enter. So basically now it will try to prepare a manifesto file in your local machine, and then it will try to download it. It will take a minute or more than that. It's based on up to our internet connectivity, because we need to download almost 2 GB of space. So we can see the progress, so how it's downloading and what is the progress and how much time it will take, so all those things. So we can see over here almost 9 minutes or 10 minutes it's showing. So I'm going to pause this video. So once the download is completed, so then we are going to see how to run it and how to see the results, so that we are going to see as part of next step. Yes, so now we can see so the download part is completed successfully almost, we can see over here. So just verifying the final digest. So once this is done, and then we can start using it. Yes, it's done, we can see. So the download part is success, and we can see it's downloaded 2.0 GB successfully. So this is the steps. It will take time, so it's up to your bandwidth or internet connectivity, so it will take time. So now finally we have completed. So the next step is, say for instance, if you want to see how many Ollama LLMs are there in your machine. So if you want to see that one, Ollama, and then you can type list. So basically Ollama list, what it will do, try to display how many models or LLMs are available currently in your machine. So you can see what you are here. So we can see currently we have only one LLM model is available, Llama 3.2. So this is the only one model is available, and we can see the size. So this is one of the useful command which we can use it to display the list of LLMs and their properties. So and another important uh, command I can say, Ollama, you can say for instance, if you want to display some of the properties about a particular model, we can type it over here. So it will display Ollama show followed by the model name, and then it will display the some of the details. So when it was released, and so what is the size and how many parameters it will take, and architecture. So all those things we can see over here. Okay, so this is some of the useful command, Ollama show and then followed by model name. So and the next one or finally important one is, so now we have model in our machine. So how we are going to run it, how we are going to use it, so that's the important one. So say for instance I want to run this model in my machine, so how to use it? So for that purpose you have to type Ollama a space run a space and then followed by model, which one you want to run it, and then press enter. So so now since the model is running successfully, and we can see, so it is asking a message. So to test the message, what you have to do, you can type a message. Say for instance you want to ask who are you, and then type. So it will try to give an answer saying that it's saying it's artificial intelligence model alone known as Llama. Llama stands for LLM. So that's the way it's giving the answer. Say for instance, if you want to ask a question, saying that what is the use of Java language. So let's see what it's going to answer it. So Java is a versatile, widely used programming language that has variety of applications across different industries. It is just trying to give some of the advantages of a Java language. So that means our model is running in a locally, and it is trying to respond to your queries. So this is the way you can able to run any LLM models in your local machine, and it is just trying to give more reasons so that we can able to control it by asking proper question. Just trying to give 10. I think it's just trying to conclude it. So it's trying to give more advantages of the Java wherever it's trying to use it. So that's the way it is trying to answer it. Say for instance, if you want to give, if you want to ask what is the capital of India, a simple question. So let's see. So it's trying to give very easily as the capital of India is New Delhi. So this is the way you can able to install LLMs in your locally, and you can able to use it or you can able to test it. So this is the way, one of the a very useful benefit is you can able to compare two different LLMs. If you want to compare, you can install it in your machine and you can ask same question, so you can see the response how it is trying to give it back to you. So based on that you can able to assess like whether these LLMs are really useful to your use case or not. So that way you can able to use it by running LLMs. Say for instance, now let me open another command window. I think if I want to see how many LLMs are running in my machine, so how we are going to verify that one? Think it should give something. Yeah, so now we can see I'm just running. I just opened another command window and I just ran Ollama ps. I want to see how many images or LLMs are running currently, and what is from when they started, and what is the size it's using. So we can see some of the metrics over here. It just started 3 minutes from now, and it is trying to use almost 3.5 GB. So this is the way we can able to see the currently running models and their details. Okay, so this is one of the very useful command. So Ollama ps, which will display the currently running models. So now this model is running. Say for instance, if you want to stop it, so you can press Control plus D, and then it will come out. Okay, so now we can come back to another window. Now we can run the same one and see it. So this is the way you can able to verify it out. So which model is running, and what is their current status. Okay, so now we can able to kill the, or we can able to stop the currently running model, and if you want to run it again you can press, and then it's ready to answer you. Okay, so this is the way you can able to run locally, and you can able to test it models by asking a question, and you will be getting the response back. So, and these are the some of the useful commands which will be used for your testing purpose. Say for instance, finally you think the usage is done, and the last command, say now Lalama list, it is displaying the images. Now you decided you don't want to keep the image in your local machine because it is taking around 2 GB of space. So how to remove this image? So it's very easy. If you want to remove the image, you can type Ollama and then RMI and space which one you want to remove. In case if you have more than one, then you need to give the specific one which one you want to remove it. So it's a RM, not RMI. It's RM and space llama. So we can see a deleted current one. Now we can verify again what images you have. So now we can see we don't have anything. So Ollama RM, so it can be useful to remove or to delete permanently from your local machine. So this is the way. Once usage is done, you can delete it so that it will not occupy the space. Yeah, I think that's all about this video, and these are the some of the useful commands when you are trying to working with Ollama. Okay, so if you like the video, you can subscribe the channel for more subsequent updates, and thank you so much.